So you're running an e-commerce business, you've got international vendors you need to pay, and you want to know if there's a better way to do it. You know, a way that doesn't involve bank wire headaches, surprise exchange rate fees, and sitting around waiting for a payment to clear. Well, in today's video, which is sponsored by Melio, more on them later on, I'm going to break down how e-commerce operators can pay overseas vendors with a credit card, often in their local currency, without all of the usual friction. I'm also going to cover why foreign exchange matters way more than most people realize, and how Melio specifically fits into all of this. So let's get into it. Most e-commerce brands are eventually going to end up working with vendors who want to be paid in their local currency, whether that's overseas manufacturers, international suppliers, global freelancers, agencies, that kind of thing. And traditionally, paying those folks means initiating a bank wire, not really knowing when the money is going to land, hoping nothing went wrong. And on top of that, you're dealing with foreign exchange markups that are kind of baked into whatever exchange rate you're getting. Like even platforms like PayPal are taking close to 4% in exchange rate fees alone. So you're paying more than you actually think you are. Now, before we get into the solution, I want to touch on why foreign exchange matters way more than most people realize. Foreign exchange isn't just about converting currency. It's actually going to affect your landed costs, your margins. Even a 0.5 to 1% difference in exchange rates can really matter at scale. Think about it this way. If you're running at 10% margins, an extra 1% in foreign exchange costs is actually 10% of your profit. And that is not a small number. So even small differences add up really quickly when you're paying vendors every single month. It's one of those things that just sneaks up on you. You don't notice it until you're really looking at the numbers, which is exactly where Melio comes in. And I'll say this up front. This is a platform I've been using pretty extensively for my own business, and it's genuinely one of those tools I wish I'd found earlier. So what is Melio? Well, Melio is a payment platform built for US businesses, and the core idea is pretty simple. Melio exists because, honestly, both international and domestic payments are still way more complicated than they should be for most US businesses. Instead of forcing you to navigate wire transfers, guess at exchange costs, try to match your vendor's payment preferences, or wait forever for a payment to settle, Melio acts as a payment layer between you and your vendors. You choose how you want to pay, either ACH or credit card, and Melio handles how the vendor actually gets paid on their end. So from the vendor's perspective, they're getting paid the way they want. And from your perspective, you've got a lot more flexibility. And for a business that's paying multiple international vendors every single month, that's a meaningful difference. And that separation is really the key difference here. It means you don't need to change how your vendors operate. You don't need to open foreign bank accounts. You don't need to manually manage any of the foreign exchange logistics yourself. You don't need to wait forever for payments to clear. And you can pay with a credit card in situations where your vendor wouldn't normally accept one, which opens up a whole set of options we're going to get into in a second. For most e-commerce businesses scaling internationally, that simplicity is often the real value, not just the fee savings. Now, let's talk about paying international vendors with a credit card specifically, because this is one of the things Melio does really well. Traditionally, most international vendors require bank transfers. They don't accept credit cards, and they want payment before production or delivery even starts. But Melio lets US businesses pay vendors internationally, including with a credit card, while the vendor still receives a bank transfer in their local currency. So everyone gets what they want, and the whole process is a lot smoother on both sides. Now, yes, using a credit card does involve a fee, but honestly, when you factor in things like sign-up bonuses or just standard cashback on a solid rewards card, it's pretty easy to justify. And on top of that, you can extend your cash flow by up to 45 days by putting the payment on a card instead of wiring cash immediately. With Melio's international payments, you've got two options for how your vendor gets paid. The first option is to pay in USD, which generally includes a $20 flat fee per international transfer. The second option is to pay in the vendor's local currency directly. When you go that route, Melio shows you the exchange rate upfront before you confirm anything, and they do not charge that separate $20 fee. So you're seeing exactly what you're paying before you commit. You're also going to get better foreign exchange rates than you typically get through a bank, PayPal, or most other bill pay providers. And delivery can be same day, which is a huge improvement over the 2 to 5 business day wait you often get with a standard international wire. Melio supports payments to vendors in over 80 countries and handles multiple foreign currencies depending on where you're sending the money. So let's talk about how using a credit card for vendor payments actually improves your cash flow, because this is something a lot of e-commerce operators overlook. When you're running an e-commerce business, your cash flow timing is everything. You're often paying manufacturers upfront for inventory before you've made a single sale. And that gap between when you pay and when the cash comes back in is where a lot of businesses run into trouble. So instead of wiring cash immediately and taking that hit right now, using a credit card means you're delaying when that cash actually leaves your account. You can align your payments with when your inventory sells through. You can smooth out cash flow during those scaling phases where things can get a little tight, and you can keep more cash on hand for other parts of the business, marketing, ops, whatever you need it for. That flexibility is genuinely valuable, especially at scale. Now, let's pull things together and talk about who Melio is really going to make sense for. Melio is built to help US businesses pay vendors both domestically and internationally in one place, and to give you a choice in how you pay, including by credit card. So it's going to be the best fit if you want to pay international vendors by card, if you've got contractors taking payment in their local currency, if you need predictable foreign exchange rates and lower fees than what you'd get from a bank or PayPal, or if you just need fast payment delivery for your vendors. It's also going to work really well if you're already paying domestic contractors and you want everything, domestic and international payments, running through one platform instead of jumping between different tools. Now, one thing worth being aware of, Melio's international payments are currently available to US businesses, but there are some state and compliance restrictions. So it is worth confirming your eligibility when you go through the sign-up process. That's just good to know going in. So look, international payments don't have to be complicated, expensive, or rigid, but for most e-commerce businesses, they still are. The key is understanding how foreign exchange, payment methods, and cash flow all work together, and then choosing tools that give you flexibility instead of friction, because you're not just trying to move money, you're trying to protect your margins, keep your vendors happy, and keep cash available for the parts of the business where it matters most. In my experience, Melio has been one of the better solutions I've come across for handling international vendor payments, and genuinely one I'd recommend looking into if this is a pain point for your business. Thanks again to Melio for sponsoring this one. I really do appreciate them as a channel partner. If you want to check them out for yourself, the link is in the description below. That'll give you the best available offer they're running and also support the channel in the process. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.